Yo guys, what's up? Google released Android 13, the latest version of Android's most extensive mobile operating system. If you have a Google Pixel 4 or later, you should still need to install the update on your device. But do you know what's new in Android 13? If you are interested in learning about the unique features of Android 13, watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's get right into it. Number 1. More customization. Expanding on Google's Material, Android 13 provides more colors in the theme settings as part of your concept to enable further personalization. There are currently 4 wallpaper colors and 4 primary colors available. However, Android 13 will offer 16 variations of each. To access the new color theme options, tap and hold on an empty area of the home screen or go to Settings and select Wallpaper and Style. There should be more themed icons now if you toggle on themed ones. Number 2. Improved copy and paste. In Android 13, when you copy something, a small floating panel appears at the bottom of the screen. You can tap on it to edit the content. Sometimes you'll see suitable choices. You can open a URL in your browser, for instance, if you copy it. You no longer need to email yourself from phone to tablet because you may copy on one Android device and pick to paste on another that is close. To protect your privacy, your clipboard history will now be automatically deleted after a while. Number 3. Enhanced privacy. Android 13 has made several modifications that restrict the data your apps can access. First, media files will be divided into image, video, and audio categories when an app requests access. You don't need to grant access to every one of your photographs when using the new photo picker. Instead of letting an app search your whole photo library, you may limit which images and videos it can access. Until recently, it was allowing an app to scan for nearby Wi-Fi devices required allowing it to track your location. Thank goodness, because a different nearby Wi-Fi devices permission option is now available. That's no longer the case. Number 4. Fewer notifications. Android, by default, grants an app access to give you notifications when you install it. That is reversed in Android 13. Apps can no longer give you notifications without first requesting your permission. You can select which app can send you more notifications and what type you want to receive. Number 5. Quick QR code scanning. Quick access to a QR code scanner is helpful because the epidemic has made scanning QR codes familiar for many of us. To modify your quick settings tiles in Android 13's notification shade, pull it down and tap Edit. The QR code scanner can be dragged onto your panel. The QR code scanner works very smoothly and quickly. Number 6. Improved media player. The updated media player that pops up on your lock screen when you lower the notification shade looks much nicer. The background displays album art when available, and a squiggly line indicates how far into the track or podcast is being played. Thanks to an updated audio output selection, you may quickly switch between paired speakers and headphones. Number 7. Bluetooth LE audio support. Bluetooth LE, also known as Low Energy Audio and Low Complexity Communications Codecs, is supported in Android 13. In a nutshell, it means wireless headphones, earbuds, and other devices that enable it will use less power and produce audio of higher quality. This feature enables users to enjoy music with different quality and clarity. Number 8. Encrypted group chats. Rich Communication Services, RCS, have improved texting and image sharing over Wi-Fi in Google's Messages app and come with advantages like typing indications that let you know when someone is replying. End-to-end encryption for group chats has been added as part of Android 13's advancements. It already has support for one-on-one conversations. Number 9. App-specific language. You'll be pleased to know that you can now select different default languages for each app if you speak more than one language. To set languages for specific apps, go to Settings, click on System, go to Languages, enter the desired language, and touch on App Languages. It allows you to set a different language for each app. Number 10. Spatial audio. For more immersive 3D audio in games and movies, spatial audio adjusts as you swivel your head to put you right in the middle of the action. Only headphones that allow head tracking can use this function. This feature allows users to apply audio effects such as 3S audio and mixing. Number 11. Double tap for a flashlight. The Quick Tap feature on Pixel phones lets you double tap the back of your phone to take a screenshot or see your notifications. With Android 13, Google has added support for the flashlight. Go to System, click Quick Tap, then click Toggle Flashlight to try it. Number 12. Smart Home Controls on the lock screen. You may now access the following equations from the lock screen without unlocking your phone. You can quickly access your bright lights, cameras, and other gadgets by going to Settings greater than Display greater than Lock Screen greater than Control from a locked device. The Home icon can be found in the bottom left corner of the lock screen. Number 13. Auto-theming icons. When the initial developer preview was released, Google published the screenshots mentioned earlier. You can automatically theme your icons in Android 2022 and customize the rest of the operating system in Android 12. Sadly, there are two limitations here. The first is that, at least temporarily, this is only accessible on Pixel devices. The second is that only apps for which the developer has provided a monochromatic icon for Material You to use will be compatible. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do so to watch more amazing videos.